gonna make a Haskap blueberry smoothie. We'll also be adding some banana, vanilla, and cardamom. So let's get started. So our ingredients we have here are some Haskap berries. We picked them off the bush.
Haskap berries are oval rectangular in shape. The Haskap berry is an edible blue honeysuckle native to the Northern Hemisphere, which include the countries like Canada, Japan, and Russia. The berries grow on leafy bushes which have an amazing ability to survive freezing northern winters. I'll be giving more about the Haskaps and the benefits later on in this video.
We also have some frozen blueberries, some vanilla powder, frozen banana, and cardamom powder. So we're gonna put everything into the blender here, our blueberries. We're gonna put our Haskap berries. I'll also tell you the benefits of Haskap berries as before we blend this smoothie. We're gonna put our frozen banana, vanilla powder, and cardamom powder. And we're also gonna get our milk and pour in our milk. Move this aside and we're gonna get blended.
We use frozen blueberries and some frozen Haskaps. We also use a little non-frozen Haskap berries. If you don't have Haskap though, you could also use just blueberry alone. It will still taste good. Give this video a thumbs up if you think the smoothie will taste good.
A Berkeley Chef interruption.
Hi there, my name is Elisha and I'm taking the quick moment to ask you for some quick favors. Make sure to hit that like button and to subscribe to our channel in return for the content that we give you for free on YouTube. And if you've already done that, you can join our free email list that is berkeleychefs.com/join the list. And if you feel to, you could also purchase some merch like this awesome apron I'm wearing, or a hat, or a nice mug, or a shopping bag, whatever you want. We probably have it at berkeleychefs.com/shop. So please support us there if you like to. See ya! Bye!
Wow, it absolutely smells so good. Now we're gonna pour it into some glass and I'll tell you how it tastes.
Haskap berries has long been known by the ancient Japanese as the fruit of life longevity and the fruit of vision. Haskap berries are a very new superfood. They contain tons of antioxidants which help prevent disease. Haskap berries has 3 times more than the oxidants of blueberries.
So I have our smoothie here. We're gonna put a little Haskap berries for a little toppings. So we're gonna tell you how it tastes. It's absolutely creamy and delicious. It's tasty and has that berry flavor and that berry kick. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And make sure to join our free email list at berkeleychefs.com. And that's where you get notification about videos we post like this one. And I'll see you in another video next time. Bye!